They put in the sweat equity. But we know we gotta go work for it. No man should want anything given to him. If he wants it, roll up his sleeves and go work and get it.
Let's go out there and dominate, bro. There should be no competition, all right? Hey, dominate on three. Dominate on three. 1, 2, 3. Dominate!
This thing, we need to come out like our heads on fire.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Right from the very start. Establish dominance right from the start now. All right, team wins on 3. 1, 2.
Look at us.
Hold up, guys. Saturday afternoon, baby. Time to start sticking. Let's go. Let's win this ball game. Everybody fighting hard for each other. Everybody's got to hate each other's back, communicate, be on one accord. Let's get the job done, baby.
All right, team wins on 3.
Let's get it, huh?
2.
Hey, man, we got something to prove today now. We got something to prove today.
Hey, we got to dominate, baby.
We got to dominate, bro. We got to be better than we were last year, bro.